Is your 4Runner's alarm constantly going off? The most frequent culprits are the glass hatch switch, the hood switch, and key fob issues. First, inspect the hood and glass hatch switches for dirt, corrosion, or damage. Clean these switches with electrical contact cleaner and ensure they are properly seated. For key fob problems, start by replacing the battery. If that doesn't work, try a key fob reset. Newer 4Runner models 2024 Plus may allow remote alarm ECU resets via Toyota's Connected Services app. If problems persist, an OBD2 scanner can help identify specific fault codes, such as B1100 for a hood switch problem. Remember to address simple fixes first before assuming a more complex issue. If replacing the key fob battery doesn't solve the alarm issue, a reset is often necessary. The exact procedure varies by model year, but typically involves cycling the ignition and pressing specific buttons on the fob. Consult your owner's manual for the correct steps. For persistent issues, especially in older models from 2010 to 2023, wiring harness corrosion near the alarm module may be the cause. Check for corroded or damaged wiring. In newer models from 2024 onward, software glitches can sometimes trigger false alarms. Ensure your vehicle has the latest over-the-air updates installed. If DIY troubleshooting fails, consider a professional diagnostic check, as deeper issues within the body control module or alarm ECU may require specialized tools like the Toyota TechStream diagnostic tool.